Hi everyone, this is Lisa here, and I'm here with a swap that I did on a Facebook group. Loaded envelopes galore and more. And it was the sewing machine swap. And my partner was Jenn Cascell. I think is how she pronounces her name, Jen. I'm sorry if I got that wrong. And this is the card that she has made me. This is very cute. She has, this has measurements on it, the background. This is cute how you made this. I like that. And this box smells so good. And so let's get into here and see what Jen has sent. And Jen, thank you so much for swapping with me. I really appreciate it. And this is a tag that Jen has made. It has a dress form on it. I love this. I love the, she's got lace. She's got a doily back here. Some seam binding. Some crocheted lace and trim up here. She's got a little spool down here. This little flower. She's got a picture back here with a bird on it. So pretty, so shabby. I love that. Thank you so much. Excuse me. Let's go ahead and take this out. Oh, this is why it smells so good. Passion fruit. Well, this is going to make my room smell nice. And this is beautiful, Jen. I love this. This is Jenn's sewing machine. This is so pretty. Love this paper you use. It's so pretty. And she's got flowers on here. Seam binding, some vintage doilies. Excuse me. Some paper flowers. She's got flowers in here. She's went around this with either enamel dots or Nouveau drops. Very cute. What a cool idea. She's popped this piece up here with these spools on it, and on top she's got a spool up here that she's vintage. She's distressed. Some more flowers. Some wooden pieces here. This is just so pretty. She's got the trim back here. Look at this paper. This paper is so pretty. I just love this. Thank you so much. And we had to, it holds 2 drawers that come out, and we had to fill those. So there's one, and here's 2. Let's take this. Oops, there's the front of it, so you can see the front. And we had to make embellishments. This is so cute. It says creative. There's a little pair of wooden veneer scissors back here. This is so pretty. She's got some feathers coming out here with the flowers, a little butterfly. I love that. Put this over here. Oh, these are so pretty. And then this one here says friendship. It's got a spool with some thread wrapped around it, a stick pin. A little piece of an applique, a little piece of doily, and some lace back here. These are so cute. Thank you so much, Jen. And then she's got these flower here. A rose, very pretty. This is so cute. This looks like some chunky glass glitter in here. And there's a stick pin. And some a seam binding that she's tied around that. Very cute. And this has got a spool with seam binding and a stick pin. Very pretty rosette. Here's another one of those roses. Very shabby. Some pretty bling that she's included. Then she has a clothespin here that's got some eyelash trim wrapped around it. And a vintage doily. Here's another little vintage doily. That's it. So again, I want to thank everyone for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And have a blessed day.